Hey there, Justin from Blaze. One of the most important parts of any successful marketing strategy is looking back at your performance data and analyzing what's performing and why. This gives you the power to double down on what's working and pivot away from strategies that don't. That's exactly what the learning loop inside of Blaze does. It's a powerful tool that can help you shape and mold your marketing strategy to be more performant. Let me show you how it works. From the homepage, locate the learnings tool from the sidebar. Click it and then notice the tool immediately shows you some valuable information. A benchmark on your business and your industry. A performance graph from your organic social campaigns, paid ads, and SEO, as well as some recommended actions that you can take to adjust your current strategy. Jumping back up to the benchmarks tool, here you can see some relevant information that Blaze is benchmarking my coffee shop, Urban Roasters, against. The engagement rate for Urban Roasters versus the best performing accounts in my space, how many followers Urban Roasters has versus the top performers in my category, and the average impressions versus the best. If you're following along on your workspace, this is going to show your business in your market space, so your data is going to look different than what's on my screen. Jumping over to the performance section, notice that this section can be toggled to show data for organic social, paid ads, and SEO. Looking at my organic social media data, we can see my engagement rate, follower count, impressions, and posts published. Down below, notice a graph that shows a trailing 10-week average of the engagement rate in my industry compared to Urban Roasters. Again, in your workspace, this data is going to be in your business, in your industry. Beneath the performance section is the Your Action section. This section includes recommendations from Blaze to improve how your content is performing. Here you can see Blaze is recommending I remove Facebook from cross-post targets. If I click See Why, Blaze is explaining that my cross-posted content isn't gaining traction on Facebook. If I want to take Blaze's advice, I can just click the button Remove Platform and Blaze will update my content plan accordingly. It's pretty cool. Since the learning loop is always running in the background and assessing what is currently working and what is not, it's a good idea to routinely come back to the learnings tool and just check in on how things are performing and consider making the changes that Blaze might suggest for your marketing strategy just to keep things optimized. It's just another way that Blaze helps save you time and money as a small business owner. Like this video if you learned something new, and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our next one.